When creating the prototype for virtualworldfitness.net, it was one of our more complicated social networks that needed to be created. So one of the first steps that we did was create a project brief and actually create different kind of personas. Some of the people FDs, FSBs, and VMs so that we could always make sure that we were speaking the same language when we were speaking to coders as well as to the actual website prototype itself. The system was built as a multi-level marketing system, which is what made it so complicated. We needed to actually make not only the mathematical algorithm that went in the back that calculated the different payouts, how the payouts were going to work, but then we just needed to make the social networking functionality as well. Because depending on what level you were going to be able to sign in, browse videos, and then get points for videos and points for other people viewing your videos. But then on top of that, there was going to be different payout structures based on the way that you marketed it and brought other people within the system. So then, as you can see here, we needed different earnings set up. We needed to know the back office, depending on who you were, how it was integrated. You needed to understand all the different information as well as how to browse a video, how to get paid out, and even administratively there needed to be a whole lot of different kind of functionality so that we could understand. Really, the biggest one was payments. How were people going to be paid out? When were they going to be paid out? And how was that system built? So again, here we built an import-export system that would allow people to import payments as well as export information so that they could use it within their QuickBooks or other accounting tools for the easiest method. Once the wireframe was actually finished, we could then execute, as you see here, virtualworldfitness.com. We integrated the graphics, we built out the design, and that was only after we built out a proper blueprint that could tell our coders exactly what needed to be built and how it needed to be built, but then give our graphic designers some great direction so that they could come up with a very attractive design that worked with the branding of virtualworldfitness.net.